Welcome to our channel. Setting up parental controls for accessibility features on Stripe helps you manage how family members interact with your account. Follow these steps to configure these settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Stripe dashboard using your account credentials at stripe.com. Step 2. Click on Settings in the left sidebar menu to access your account configuration options. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings or User Management to find options related to user access and permissions. Step 4. Look for Accessibility or Parental Controls settings, which may be under Advanced Settings or Security options. Step 5. Enable parental control features by toggling the appropriate switches or selecting the option to activate these controls. Step 6. Set up access restrictions by defining which features and functions are available to users with limited permissions. Step 7. Customize accessibility settings to ensure that the interface meets the needs of all users while maintaining appropriate controls. Step 8. Save your changes and test the settings by logging in with a restricted account to verify that parental controls are working as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.